What's going on, guys? This is Decelation, and today we're going to clean up this mess. I started right here on like cleaning up the aluminum from looked like a bunch of coolant overspray. So I just wanted to test out my method, so we tried that and compared to how this looks. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish cleaning this. This was just a rough 5-minute scrub and clean. But yeah, we're gonna clean all of this mess up right here and all under the car. So when we put the new engine in there, it's in a nice clean engine bay and it actually looks good and presentable. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I am kind of done with just the control arms on this. I gotta do a little bit more inside of there, but for the most part this is a good stopping point to show the progress. So I'm just using a degreaser and a wire brush and then paper towels to wipe away the mess. But like, compared to how it looked previously, all corroded, this looks a lot better. So yeah, it's tedious. The control arms and the center frame connection, I don't know what to call this, whatever. This piece, it's a lot of intricate stuff, so it takes a little bit of time to get it all scrubbed out. This stuff should be pretty straightforward and quick. I even got that axle cleaned up compared to this grody axle. So yeah, it's gonna look a lot better, and I'll feel better putting something as pretty as that in an engine bay that's a lot more cleaned up than looking like this. I can take the time and effort to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to work and continue grinding. Welcome back, guys. As you see, this has been taking a little bit of time, but it's hard to argue with the results of what it looks like now compared to what it looked like before, all the coolant residue and everything. And I'm not trying to go perfect. I've seen people take all this apart and like glass bead blast them. This is still going to be a street car. I'm not trying to make this a concourse car, but I just wanted to make it a little bit cleaner, a little bit better, and not everything covered in like coolant residue. But man, everything cleaned up so well. I'm very pleased with it. But yeah, that was just a little bit. I'm a fan of cleaning your area before you start putting new stuff in there. Your new parts look better when you come into a clean engine bay versus a dirty one. So thank you guys for watching. If you like more content like this, please subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. Have a good one, guys. Peace.